has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Boone County and north central Illinois, Winnebago County and north central Illinois until 5:15 a.m. At 4:35 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles northwest of Lake Somerset to Mount Morris and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Rockton, McChesney Park, South Beloit, Loves Park, Lake Somerset, Pecatonica, Durand, Winnebago, and Drosco. Other locations affected: Rock Cut State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio.